Really?
Just the president. Tyler, you okay? Good. Put this one.
Open. Ready, close. Shut.
Mr. President, have you thought of names for the horse yet?
I did. Victory. 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 Thank you very much for the horse. Did you see a picture of the horse? Oh, yeah. Beautiful.
Well, come here to watch
Mongolia,
it.
the great fighters. You know, they're great fighters, great wrestlers, great champions, right? And we have the grand champion of sumo wrestling with us from a couple of years ago. He's here from Mongolia. I was told that in Japan, actually, that they had 4 grand champions from Mongolia, so they're great fighters. They're great fighters. Thank you, we need great fighters too.
Do you have any intelligence that Bin Laden's son is being killed?
I don't want to comment on it. I don't want to comment on it. Thank you very much, everybody.
Can we see you in 8 minutes for the Fed rate cut?
Yeah, we don't have a comment on it. Whatever you have a comment.
Invite us back in, we'll be here.